If you love our nature, then your support by loving nature means embracing the beauty of the natural world, celebrating its wonders, and protecting it for generations to come. Every like, every share, every moment of appreciation helps spread awareness and inspire change. Nature gives us so much fresh air, breathtaking landscapes, the rhythm of the seasons. It's time we give back. By making mindful choices, supporting sustainable practices, and simply pausing to admire the world around us, we create a ripple effect of positivity. Your love for nature isn't just a feeling, it's a movement. Thank you for being part of this journey. Keep loving, keep sharing, and let's nurture nature.